pi. No, I'm not talking about the mathematical constant, not even about the new cryptocurrency. Here I'm talking about the Pi phone from Tesla. Phone and Tesla? These two things don't go with each other, right? Maybe it's time that we change the thing. If you're a Tesla enthusiast, you must be pretty much familiar with this Pi phone thing. But if you're not one of them, then allow me to help. I mean, why am I here? Welcome to FinVice, and today we're talking about Tesla's Pi phone. Without any future delay, let's just dive right in. But before we give any information, I must tell you that none of the news is confirmed by Tesla. So much of the information could be pure speculation, and it could change in the future when Tesla gives us more updates. During the time of the Apple event, this rumor got widely spread that Tesla is launching its very own smartphone. And it was surprising to hear about it as Tesla is an EV company. People said that this phone will be named Model Pi, and it was also said that it'll launch in late 2021. 2021 is already history now, but still, there's no news on the Pi phone. Many people also asked Elon Musk about it, but there was never a straight answer. But it's still widely speculated that this smartphone will hit the market by the mid of 2022. And if it does hit the market, what is it going to be like? It's said that this smartphone will have 4 cameras and would have better picture quality than iPhone 13. It's also said that it would come with solar charging. As Tesla believes in ideas that make a difference, solar charging could be one of the things that would reshape the whole smartphone industry. It's also said that this Model Pi will be a chameleon smartphone, which means that it would be able to change colors. Skin that can change color? Futuristic, isn't it? There's also this question that whether Tesla is going to create a smartphone like any other company, or are they going to create something different? As we all know about Starlink, it's a satellite network that provides the internet. Many people believe that this Pi phone will be a satellite phone, and it would be connected to the Starlink network, and it would even work in places where there is no Wi-Fi or 5G. If these Starlink rumors are true, and Tesla does make a phone that works on the Starlink satellite network, then it could be a hassle to give every individual their privacy. But if somehow Elon Musk can pull off a satellite phone that works on solar energy, then they can surely pull off giving every individual their privacy. When the Starlink network is active, then this Pi phone would be able to function perfectly in every corner of the Earth. And not only that, it could also be used in outer space and even on a different planet. Do you see where I'm going with this? We all know that it's Elon Musk's lifelong dream to send humans to Mars, and maybe this phone would help people to communicate simply on Mars. They could even communicate with their friends on Earth if this phone works as efficiently as they say in rumors. It won't be the first satellite phone that we see, but it could be vastly different from the other phones that we have seen yet. As according to the news, this device will have very low latency, and it'll also deliver a 200 megabytes per second upload and download speed. It's also said that this Pi phone will be a Neuralink phone, which means that you would be able to control the interface by just thinking about it. It could be very much true, as earlier there were rumors about a headset that Elon Musk is creating that will directly project songs into your brain. Maybe this Neuralink phone would be like an extended version of that. There is still no clue about what will be the retail price of this phone. There are thousands of unanswered questions like, does it have a SIM card slot? What would be the monthly charge for using the Starlink network? Can you buy this phone even if you don't own a Tesla EV? This phone is a complete mystery, and we have no idea about what's going on behind the curtains. The reason why people are talking about this phone so seriously is that it's from Tesla, and it's owned by Elon Musk, and when that guy doesn't like something about the world, he just doesn't sit around and complain. He figures out a way to change it, and then he does it. Tesla is no longer some outsider. It's a company that's worth $1 trillion. They have proved to this world that they can change the whole system. When Steve Jobs launched the iPhone, he started a new era, and many people believe that the launch of this Pi phone will be the end of that era and will be the beginning of a new one. There is still nothing that we can say surely about this phone, not even about its release date, as Tesla is not a company that follows its deadline seriously. I mean, we all know about the Cybertruck, but still, if this Pi phone comes out as it's rumored, then it'll surely change the whole world. What are your thoughts about this phone? Please do let us know in the comments. This was all for today. I'll see you at the next one. Until then, bye-bye.